Finalizing Your Research Topic, a step-by-step guide. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial step in the academic research process, finalizing a research topic. It can be overwhelming with so many topics to choose from, but don't worry. This guide will help you narrow down and solidify your choice. Let's begin. Having a precise research topic is vital for several reasons. 1. Clarity. A well-defined topic gives direction to your research. 2. Efficiency. It prevents you from wasting time on unrelated information. 3. Impact. Clearly presented findings have a more significant impact on your readers. Refining ideas. Before settling on a final topic, it's essential to evaluate your initial ideas. Ask yourself if the topic is relevant and significant. Ensure there's enough available information on the subject. Consider the scope. Your topic shouldn't be too broad or too narrow. If it's too broad, it can be overwhelming. If it's too narrow, you might lack resources. For instance, World War II is broad, but the impact of World War II on fashion in Paris between 1940 to 1945 is more specific. Align with objectives. Make sure your topic aligns with the objectives of your course, paper, or research assignment. If there's a theme or a particular focus, ensure your topic fits within that framework. Once you've narrowed down your choices, do a preliminary research. This test run helps you see if enough resources are available, the topic is interesting enough to sustain your motivation, it hasn't been over-researched, offering a fresh perspective. Always consider getting feedback. Discuss your potential topic with peers. They might offer a fresh perspective or ask questions you hadn't considered. Instructors. Their expertise can guide you on the topic's relevance and feasibility. Advisors or mentors. They have experience and can provide valuable insights. Finalizing a research topic might seem daunting at first, but with the right steps and strategies, you can make it a rewarding experience. Remember to refine, align, test, and seek feedback. Happy researching, and we hope this guide aids you in your academic journey.